Hi everyone! Today's theme was about God's protection. We learned the different ways in which God protects us in different walks of our life. Have you all seen how birds lay eggs in their nest and how they sit on top of it and keep the eggs very warm under their wings, and once the eggs hatch, they ensure that they wrap around their wings around their little ones, right? Why do they do that? They want to keep their little ones safe from being attacked, right? Or safe from any danger or harm that can come to the little ones. Just like that, Jesus takes care of all of us from the different harms or dangers or fears that we go through in our lives. So today, as a part of our VBS activity, I'm going to teach you or take you through a creation of a jar. Now you may be wondering, what is this jar all about? So we are all going to create a jar called as the journey jar. So what is this journey jar? We all are living in different circumstances. All our journeys may be very different from each other, right? Some of us may be going through a happy time, some of us may be going through a sad time, some of us may be going through a very excited time, some of us may be going through very depressing and difficult situations, right? So based on that, our experiences may be different in the way how God protects us. So today, what I want all of you to do is to go back to your homes, go into the kitchen, get a jar that is lying there unused, clean it up and decorate it any way you want. You want to stick stickers on it, you want to tie ribbons on it, you want to paint it, do anything you like to make it as decorative as you can. And once that is ready, I want you to recall or think about the beautiful ways in which how God has protected you from harm or from danger, or has led you out of the fears, or has given you the encouragement to face life when you have been tensed and worried about anything that's going to happen. So I want you to take down pieces of paper, or you want to write it on a post-it note, write it down. Write down the ways in which God has protected you from harm. God has protected you from danger, from any accidents, from difficulties of life, from your exam fears, from peer pressure, anything that can come your way. But remember, there is always a way out through Christ. So that is a way how God protects you from these difficulties. So I would want all of you to create this jar. Write down the ways in which God has protected you from all of this and put it into the jar, close it and bring it for VBS on day 4. Do not forget, bring your journey jars for the VBS on day 4. We would love to see the journey jars and also to kind of experience from and hear from all of you with regards to how God has protected you in different difficulties and walks of your life, right? So hoping to see all of your journey jars very soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.